Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to enable fingerprint recognition on your Windows 11 computer. So to do this, click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, select Settings from the menu. From the left-hand side, click on Accounts. Scroll down, then choose Sign In Options. Click on Fingerprint Recognition and then select Set Up. Click Get Started. Enter your PIN or password if prompted. Touch the fingerprint sensor to scan your finger. Follow the on-screen instructions and adjust the angle of your finger as prompted. Once complete, you can add another fingerprint if needed. Finally, click Close to finish. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.